Welcome to the Backend Guy. In this video, we are going to talk about interface segregation principle from solid design principles. This principle states that no code should be forced to depend on methods it does not use. Or in other words, the client code or the code going to use our code should not know about methods it does not need. Let's have an example. Let's say we have a file manager interface with methods to read, write and execute file. And we have a default file manager implementing that interface. Now let's say we also want to have default read-only file manager. For that we can create a new class and since it is a file manager, we can also implement file manager interface. We also need to provide implementation for methods. Now as you can see here, we are only interested in this read file functionality, but this interface is forcing us to provide implementation for this write file and this execute file functionality as well. Now this functionality is not required by the client of this default read-only file manager. It is additional functionality which is not required and hence it is violating interface segregation principle. So a better approach would be to create a separate interface for this read file functionality. Let's do it. Read only file manager, and this read only file manager will have only one method, read file. We can just copy it from the file manager interface. Now our default read only file manager can implement read only file manager interface, and we can get rid of this write file and execute file methods. Now it is much more cleaner and our default read only file manager is also following interface segregation principle. We have basically segregated interfaces for read only functionality for this read only file manager. This is all about interface segregation principle. If you have any questions, you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching.